Hey, did you know you can work from home as a social media marketing manager and be your own boss? All right. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually work from home and be your own boss doing social media marketing for local businesses. All right. So I do a lot of different make money online videos. I do some work from home jobs that a lot of people search for. And then I do a lot of entrepreneurial income opportunities as well. But one thing that I noticed is a lot of people are getting into social media marketing and becoming social media marketing managers, and they're doing it on their own, right? They're being their own boss. Now, granted, there are a lot of work from home opportunities, like straight jobs where you work hourly, where you can apply to be a social media marketing manager. Now, the difference is, when you work for a company, it's clean cut. You fill out the resume, send your resume, fill out the application. If they call you, and they hire you, they assign you, what you need to do, right? And that's cool. A lot of people just, like the straight opportunity like that, but you're going to be capped at your pay. Most likely you're probably going to get, maybe $12 an hour or $15 an hour to do the same things you would be doing, right? For companies, but yet if you did it and you were your own boss and you did a little more effort to get set up, but you can earn 5 and 6 times that amount of money just being your own boss. Now, it does take a little bit of entrepreneurial effort to start your own social media marketing agency, right? But it can be done, and it can be done very, very easily. All right. So this is how you can do it. It's very, very simple. First and foremost, you need to figure out what services you want to offer. Now, just getting started, the easiest thing to offer a local business is social media posting. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure you probably know how to post on Facebook, Instagram, you know how to upload a TikTok video, you know how to upload a YouTube video, and things like that, right? So the first service you can just instantly come out the gate with is, content posting. And you literally, the first thing you can do is get a piece of paper or get on your Word doc and figure out your little packages. Know that up front before you, approach anybody. So you can keep it very simple. How much you're going to charge for posting 3 times a week? Very simple. How much you're going to charge for posting, every day? How much you're going to charge for posting twice a day, right? Every day, right? Figure that out. So you might have a package at $49 a month, $99 a month, and $199 a month, right? Depending on whatever, you can make up your own prices, right? So you want to figure that out. Then the next thing you want to figure out is, what platforms are you offering to post on? So are you going to post on, Facebook, Instagram? Are you going to do some TikTok posts? What other platforms people post on? All I can think about is Facebook and Instagram. LinkedIn. You could do LinkedIn. You could do Google My Business posting. You could do all that, right? So figure out. First, you want to figure out your packages, or you could go the other way, right? You can go the other way. So decide what platforms you want to post on first, then decide your posting packages, right? Once you have those 2 things, that's it. All you need to do now is approach the businesses. So you might be wondering, well, how do I approach the businesses? All right, very, very simple. Very simple. You can use Facebook, go figure, or Instagram, or you can do email, or you can do word of mouth, which means just start asking people who got local businesses. Let them know, hey man, I just started my social media marketing agency. Do you know any businesses? Blah, blah, blah. Can you put me on some different businesses, right? You could even join the chambers, your local chambers, which I did, which was a very, very good decision to do. But you can even do that. But before you get to all that, you can literally use Facebook, Instagram. Just find businesses in your area, right? Make sure they're doing some sort of posting already, right? On Facebook, Instagram, you could just send them a quick message. That's it. Letting them know, hey, I do social media. Are you interested in, social media content posting, blah, 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 blah. That's it. That's really it, right? And you can kind of play with the messages that you write. Just experiment. Write 3 different versions of your intro to businesses, right? So you have 3 different messages that you send out. After you send out about 30 or 40 of them, see which message gets the most responses back from business owners. And then the one that, get the most responses, the one you might want to stick with, for the next, 100 emails or messages that you send out. All right. So guys, it's very, very easy to do. And I know a lot of people are just like, yo, I just want to work from home. But I ain't gonna lie to you. You'll be doing the same work that you would be doing for an hourly job. You're going to be doing the same thing, but making a lot more money. And keep in mind, this is recurring income. Because these companies, they want to sign up for a month. You're going to be charging them monthly to do their posting. All right. So one more thing before I get out of here, because I don't want to get too in detail. But so you might be thinking like, damn, like, what if I do get 5 or 6 businesses? Like, how am I supposed to keep up? You know what I'm saying? Like, how am I, that's a lot. There are tons of scheduling softwares out there now that once you get, and I wouldn't even do it until I got like 2 clients, because you can handle probably like 2 to 4 clients you can handle without a scheduling software, to be honest with you. You can handle their posting probably without that. But once you start getting 5 and 6 and 10 clients, then you're going to want to invest in like a social media scheduling software or website, something like Post Planner, later.com. I'll actually put some scheduling programs in the description of this video that you can check out, and a lot of them you can try for free and all that stuff. But to be honest with you, they're very inexpensive. If you're making $1,000 a month, you paying $100 for your software is well worth it. All right. So that's all you need, guys and girls, to get, start your own social media marketing agency, right? You can make the same money that you could working for a company, right? You can make a lot more just being your own boss. All right. So if you got any questions, put it below. I'll try to help you out in any way I can. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.